Need to back up or restore your OnePlus phone? In this video, I'll show you 4 safe methods to protect and recover your data. Way 1. Perform OnePlus Backup Restore via MobiKin software. Flawless. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android lets you back up and restore OnePlus data, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, and apps. It saves data to your computer and restores files easily when needed. Steps to back up OnePlus to PC using MobiKin Backup and Restore. Step 1. Install and launch the software, then connect your OnePlus phone via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging if needed, then select Backup. Step 3. Choose the types of data you wish to back up. Then, designate a location on your computer for storing this data. Finally, click on Backup to transfer your OnePlus data to the computer. How to restore. Step 1. Connect your OnePlus and select Restore. Choose a backup file. Step 2. Select data types and click Restore to transfer files. Way 2. Back up and restore OnePlus via local backup and restore. Steps to create a local backup. 1. Open Settings Backup and reset. 2. Tap Local Backup New Backup. 3. Select Data and tap Start to Backup. Steps to restore. 1. Copy the backup folder back to your OnePlus storage. 2. Go to Settings Local Backup. 3. Select the backup file and tap Restore. Way 3. Back up and restore OnePlus phone using SD card. Steps to back up OnePlus to an SD card. 1. Insert an SD card and open Clone Phone. 2. Tap Tools New Backup. 3. Select Data, choose SD card, and tap Backup. How to restore. 1. Insert the SD card and open Clone Phone. 2. Tap Tools Restore. 3. Select the backup file and data, then tap Restore. Way 4. Back up OnePlus and restore it with Google Drive. 1. Connect your OnePlus to Wi-Fi. 2. Go to Settings Google Backup. 3. Enable Google One Backup and select an account. 4. Tap Backup now. Steps to restore. 1. Turn on your OnePlus and connect to Wi-Fi. 2. Sign in with your Google account. 3. Select Restore from Cloud Backup. 4. Choose the backup, select Data, and tap Restore.